Alright guys, so this is an old record. I'm going to show you the songs on it. So this is it right here. Okay, and this is how I set it up. So I put a regular mic in there. Right here is a dual drill. You can see it's working. I use a little Bluetooth box. I hook it up to. Right here. So I hook up to the line in. And I plug it in the wall here. So I can see it's playing. I want to prove to you that is it working. So I'm going to lift it up like this. And there you go, it stopped. So I'm going to put it on back now. So guys, please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tricks like these. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.